Sometimes I like to just think about options, and I'm up in the air, so this is kind of a unique time to do it. So this is the main house right here, the main carriage house. This here was an add-on. The outside stairs, the back two porches, there used to be a barn door there. So this was all added on when it was turned into two apartments, one lower, one upper. So this is the access to the upper apartment. Now doing the slate roof on there has definitely made it look more original. But there's still differences. For example, the windows over here all have these little hoods over them. About 8 inches with some nice design. And you can see it up in here too. This one right here, you can see the end of it. So I've been kind of getting really into this whole extending the roof thing, extending overhangs, extending them. And I did a couple in Lewistown and I just absolutely love them. So it made me start looking at this. So I'm envisioning right here, let's say I come off with a extension at a maybe a 3 pitch, maybe a 4 pitch, coming down off there, maybe 3 feet, and then supports that go back, one here on the side, one in the center of each of those. There's 4 windows there, so there's 3 centers. So you have the 2 ends and the 3 centers. I could do some nice supports that come back into there for this roof extension. So what would that do? First of all, it would add design. But more importantly, it would keep the water away from that house more. Right now it's landing probably 12 inches away. Plus, on stormy days, you get water hitting these windowsills there, taking paint off. It's just more wear and tear. Even over there, right on that windowsill, I can see where the paint is coming off right in there. So obviously on stormy days, water's coming in like this and hitting there. So it'd put an end to that. Is it necessary? No. Is it a challenge? Yes. Would it look cool? Yes. I'm salvaging a lot of material. So cost-wise, we're looking at the aluminum, which I even have some ideas for salvaging some aluminum if I get permission. But even if I have to buy the aluminum, let's say it's 1 roll. At this point it is $160, but it's not a terrible cost, and it's a cool project. I could do it all from the lift. I can park the lift right in there, easily move around, do the whole thing. So that's something I've been thinking about. It's really the only thing I've been thinking about here, except for the other thing. So originally I did rubber on this roof here, because at the time we had just purchased a property. It was like, when it rained, it was like you were in the rainforest inside there. There was leaks all over. Just so many leaks. So this was actually the first roof, low slope roof that I did. And I thought it was my only option is to go out and buy some rubber, put some plywood down, screw it in real good, and put the rubber over it. Of course, I had to fix a bunch of rafters. I had to fix the end. There was a bunch of boards I had to replace. I did quite a bit of work on it. But then when it came down to it, I glued the rubber roof on. Now, I do not love it. It tracks a lot of heat, heats this up a lot. There hasn't been any leaks since, even though I could only tuck it underneath the 3 tabs, which I was surprised. I kind of thought there'd be leaks there. And I thought, well, eventually I'm going to redo this anyways, and we'll take care of all that. So now I'm thinking, if I do this extension here, I would like to do aluminum right up through there. Leave the rubber on, just go right over top of it. with the aluminum, the white aluminum. That should greatly decrease the heat buildup. Having rubber underneath, not crazy about it, but it's there, it's good. Let's see how it holds up. It should not get as hot. It should actually hold up longer, and the screws going through it shouldn't be a problem. So it's kind of a double roof. So anyways, that's another thought I've had. So let's just go over it. I don't think I can reach that from here. I think I do need to move the lift, but I'm up here. What the heck? I'm just going to swing over there, see how close I get. I'm quite sure I'm going to be about 6 feet off. Or maybe not. I'm only out 3-4 feet here. So I got another, I can go out another 10 feet on this extension, this boom here. But, so let's try it. I mean, if I don't have to move the lift, that's a huge time saver. Let's go for it.